It was with thanksgiving and jubilation that clergy, parents, and well-wishers gathered to witness and celebrate the priestly ordination of 9 Reverend Fathers and the 10th installation anniversary of the Archbishop of the Metropolitan See of Lagos, His Grace Most Reverend Alfred Adewale Martins. In his speech during the ordination, Reverend Adewale Martins called on Nigerians to take the forthcoming election very seriously and not see it as business as usual. According to the Archbishop, this is not the time to think that votes will not count, but a time to prepare and vote, assuring that the votes will count this time.
Please let us take seriously the preparations and the elections that are forthcoming. The votes will count. The elections will take place by the grace of God. And that is why we must call on our government to speak to us and tell us what is being done to ensure that everything goes well before then.
Martins also called on Nigerians to seriously pray for the country and ask God to take control.
I would like that all of us would please storm the heavens with prayers for our country, Nigeria. We all know the circumstance in which we have found ourselves, and that is why we need to ask the Lord to take perfect control.
On his part, the Archbishop of the Metropolitan See of Benin City, His Grace Most Reverend Augustine Anibeze, in a homily, called on Nigerian leaders to always listen to those that voted them to office and urged the citizens to vote those with credible character who will always listen when they call on them.
Our political leaders must listen to the people who voted them into power. To everyone listening to me today, I call on you to make a firm resolution to let your vote be for the candidates who have shown that they have credibility and capacity to bring us as people together.
One of the newly ordained priests, Reverend Father Paul Mba, expressed joy that the journey started years ago with so much fear and uncertainty ended in praise, praying that God should see them to the end. Highlights of the event were the goodwill messages for the Archbishop of the Metropolitan See of Lagos, His Grace Most Reverend Alfred Adewale Martins, and the donation of 9 priests, including Reverend Louis Kenechukwu Anyam, Reverend Emmanuel Oluwadamilare Fashanu, Reverend Dominic Okafor, Reverend Hilary Temitope Ogunyemi, and Reverend Paul Chukwebuka Mba, among others. From Lagos, Cynthia Okere reporting for Voice of Nigeria. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, at Cinti Latest. Yes, just YouTube at Cinti Latest. Thank you. Elegant Ebony Queen, going about for her job. No dull moment. Here she is taking pictures and videos of the event. All-round journalist. The job is actually fun, but it meets patience. Yeah, here I captured a military man on my video, so he wanted more pictures. You know, before I went for this event, I actually told you guys that we'll be meeting ourselves there, that you should come around so we could just have a kind of time together. But some people came anyway. This one of us is a media colleague from another media house. Okay, we're done and we're going home now. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.